Hey guys! So I'm going to start off with the Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel. Yes, I'm going to use this as my primer today. This will help to stick the makeup on my face as it has a sticky composition. So it will help the makeup to stick onto my face for a longer time, and I'm also applying it on my eyelids because we are going to play with some colors today. So yeah, I'm applying it on my whole face including my eyelids, and I'm also taking it down to my neck because you should always prime and apply foundation to your neck. And then I'm just patting it down. I'm not rubbing it, I'm just patting it down. And after patting it down, just give it some time to settle down the product. It may look like I'm sweating, but I'm not. It has a gel-like composition. And then I'm moving on to the concealer first. I'm going to do my eyes first today. So I'm applying the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer on my dark circles and on my upper lids. I'm just applying it like a primer so that my eyeshadow goes smooth. And I'm almost done applying my concealer, and after that I'm going in with my beauty blender and just dabbing the product that I have applied. This beauty blender is from Club Factory and it is not at all up to the mark. I had to go hard with this, literally. You can see I'm struggling with this, so it was a bad experience for me. And then I'm just using the PAC primer spray, and I'm just spritzing some of it on the brush, and then I will take the yellow shade from the Mars palette and will apply it in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, you cannot see it properly. You will. Just wait for it. Yes, so I'm just applying the yellow in the inner corner of my eye, as you can see. I'm just going to take it halfway because there are going to be some other colors too. So yes, I just zoomed in for you guys to see. Hope you can see it properly. As this is a powder formulation, so it is quite a difficulty. I'm also taking another blending brush and spritzing it with the same spray and taking another shade. This is the red color from the same palette, and will apply it in the outer corner of my eyes. Just like this, yes. I'm trying to create a sunset effect on my eyes. This has been a lot in trend, and I'm the last person to do this, but it's okay. It's never too late. I'm just trying to bring a orangish sort of color in the middle so that it looks like a good transitional shade. I'm also taking it in my crease line so that it does not look different, and you know what I'm saying, so that there is a good transitional shade. That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm just applying the yellow again and again. This is the thing with powder eyeshadows. You have to keep applying them If you have the gel shadows, then you can use that. That will be much easier for you. And now I'm just deepening the red in the outer corner of my eye. Yes, and I'm just trying to create a wing. And now I am all done with my face base, and now I'm just taking the red color in the lower lash line just to balance the colors that are going on in my eyes. Yes, just like that. I'm just balancing the red so that the lower lash line doesn't look blank at all. And yes, I'm almost done. And now I'm just elongating the wing, and then taking the Essence 3D eyeshadow. Yes, I know this is an eyeshadow, but I am going to use this as my highlighter today, and just going to highlight the high points of my face as usual. Yes, and we are going to blind everyone with the highlighting. Yes, just like that. That's my happy moment. And then by taking the Blue Heaven eyeliner pen, I'm just creating a wing liner, as you can see. But the eyeliner pen was not moving smoothly as there were powder eyeshadows. I guess that was the reason only. And I'm successful in creating the wing liner in one stroke. So I'm so proud of me. That's my proud moment. And then I'm just filling in the black. Yes, just like that. And I'm almost done. Yeah. And then I'm just elongating the inner corner just to create a swing. Yeah, that is a fun part. Then I'm taking the Gigi Hadid mascara and will just make my lashes look good. Yes. And there, yes, a blunder. I just made this blunder, but we are going to save it. Yes, we saved it. And then again, wing, wing, wing. And then I will take the mascara in my lower lashes and will just do the same. And then taking this lip gloss, brown lip gloss by an Instagram store. I bought this from an Instagram store called Affordable Makeup India. I'll leave the link down below so that if anyone of you likes to buy it, you can buy it from there. And I'm just filling in my lips. This is a very beautiful nude color, so it will balance my eye as there's so much color going on, so I'm just keeping it nude. And yeah, we are all done. So if you guys have liked this video, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.